Good evening, my dear friends. Welcome to PRCUMP. The official website is prccump.org.in. In today's session, we are going to represent regarding the anti-clockwise alignment in case of Excel. See, I have selected a particular cell and I am writing down something. Okay. For your understanding, I am merging the whole cell, merge and center. Okay. Now, I want to make it anti-clockwise direction. So, I am here at the home tab. Okay. I have first written down this thing. I made margin and center so that it will become easy to you for you to understand that it is in a single cell, the content. Okay. Now I'm in a home tab and I'm clicking here at this part of this alignment orientation. Okay. Now click here and click angle counterclockwise or anti-clockwise. It's maybe you can see, but if the same way I increase the row height 20 or 25 and click on OK. Let's make it some more 35 or make it some more 45. Yeah, now see, you can clearly see the now I'm limiting little evaporation of this particular thing. Yeah, so in this way my content get anti or counterclockwise. So this is all about the thing. This is the thing actually how what I want to show you, that the alignment is anti counterclockwise in direction. This is Thomas representing PRCUMP. The official website is prccump.org.in. Email is just16@gmail.com. Call is 8420879158, and same as that WhatsApp. If you have any types of query, please you can mail us or WhatsApp me and that number. And any type of suggestion for the betterment of all these things, you are very much welcome.